Your electric cooperative provides electricity when your solar or distributed generation system is not producing sufficient energy to meet your needs. This keeps you connected to the electric grid. Because of this connection, you must work with your co-op to meet its requirements to keep the grid reliable and safe. All interconnection and safety requirements must be met prior to operating a solar system in parallel with the co-op's electric distribution system. This is necessary to protect other member consumers, cooperative employees, public safety personnel, and the general public from the risks that could result from the improper installation of distributed generation. If you own a distributed generation system, you are responsible for obtaining the proper equipment and ensuring that all requirements of the electric co-op's interconnection agreement are met, including paying any necessary costs. You also must notify local and state officials to conduct safety inspections. Once all interconnection requirements are met and the safety and the integrity of the system meet all necessary criteria, then the cooperative is responsible for the final stages of interconnection. Ongoing maintenance and system repairs are the responsibility of the owner. If the system has problems or damages your home, repair work is not cheap. Know who pays for repairs and maintenance. Many interconnection agreements require homeowners to obtain certain levels of liability insurance to protect them and the utility. If you have questions in your pursuit of generating energy and reducing costs with a solar system, contact your trusted electric cooperative for answers and information.